How's it going, guys? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video here, we will be talking about how to install Ring. Like a lot of these secure messenger videos that I've been talking about, we're going to be using Flatpak just because, I'm not using Ubuntu, and this is just a more universal way of covering it. So to get started, go to flathub.org and check the link in the description to learn how to install the Flatpak runtime. Once you're there, go up to the search box and just type in Ring, and you'll see Ring here. You can click the install button to install this with GNOME software or with KDE Discover, or you can go down here like I usually do and copy the install command, and then you just paste that command in there and press yes. Press yes for all the stuff it asks and just let it install. It'll take a bit, but it'll be done soon. So now that Ring is done downloading and installing, we can go over here and we can open it up and set up our system. So to use Ring, you got to create an account, and you can go through that and check the link in the description to learn about all of that and how that works. Anyways, guys, this is how to install Ring and all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out Ring. It's a good service, especially if you need a good SIP client and a good secure tool to message people. And I will see you in the next video.